Hello there, cutie friends. It's me, Cutie Beth, and welcome back to my vlog. For today's vlog, cutie friends, i-assemble ko yung tent. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo, guys. See ya. Okay, cutie friends, so we're gonna assemble the tent now with my niece, Zoe, and Ate Jinky. O, ayan. Watch nyo na lang, guys. Madali lang naman siya i-assemble, guys. So, let's start, guys.
I'm Zoe.
This one, we need this para mag-stand siya dito sa tent. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, guys.
So it's freezing out here. These are the poles. I don't know how to use them, really. So that's what they're doing. I don't know.
Like that, and then you're gonna put it here para mag-stand siya dito. Tapos dun sa baba, yan.
There, that's
mamaya
the
natin
first
sa
side.
This is the first one, and then the second one. There. There it is, guys. Done na, guys. Ayan, naiwan ako mag-isa. Sorry, anong na kami talaga. Kahit pa paano, guys, hindi na siya nililipad kasi meron ng pangharang sa loob. Hindi kagaya kanina din. Ayan, so that's it, cutie friends. It's so easy to assemble. You're gonna connect this tongue, this one to the other side, and tie it up para mag-stand siya. And ayun lang, ganun lang siya, guys. And then, itong tent, pwede siyang 2 to 3 person. Depende kung mapayat o mataba. Kasi malaki naman siya sa loob, guys. So, ayun, guys. As usual, ako lang yung natirang magtapos kasi kailangan na lang sumiba. So, okay lang yun, guys. Madali lang naman siya. It's not so hard naman to do it. So, thank you again for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. See ya. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.